planners, welcome back to the channel Creating with Sarah. Happy New Year. So today's video I have for you the Planything January box. It is the rainbow florals. So if you guys want to check out an unboxing, then keep on watching. So welcome back, friends. So if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Sarah, all things creating, planning, yet keeping things fun and functional. And today I'm reviewing and unboxing the Planything January box for the new year. And I think this is gonna be the one that I love the most. It is so pretty. I can already tell by the intro card. So this is Rainbow Florals. Look how pretty that is. So also with your package, this is a subscription that you can get monthly or you can pay a one-time fee for it. If you guys are interested, I will put the links down below. So you also get this thank you card. There are some hashtags for you here so you can follow other planners who grab this box and share inspiration. You also get a cute sticker that you can put in your planner right here where the arrow is. And you can pop this in your planner saying, yay, you received a package from Planything. So super cute. So let's go ahead and get into this package. So a lot of fun, colorful planner goodies. So we have some washi, we have a pen. I see that we have a stamp and it's a rainbow. So on the back of your intro card, it tells you a little hello from Amber, and then she tells you everything that's inside the package. So let's see what we got. So first we have one of her cute pens. Her pens are the cutest with all the little crystals. And this one for January is extra special because it has all the rainbow colors in it. It's super cute. I love it. So it has like the rose gold hardware, and it says it's embossed with Planything on the clip. And then she has this pink here, and it's a twisty pen, which is my favorite. I like the twisty pens because I tend to lose my caps if they're like shuffled in my planner bag. But this is really cute. I love the pink with the rainbow. Super cute. So we do have the pen. Then we get two washi tapes. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Okay, so I've swatched out the two washi that we get in this January box. It is super cute. Of course, it goes with the theme, Rainbow Florals. This is really pretty. There are a lot of planners that have planner spreads with the whole rainbow florals. I think that's really cute. And this one's kind of like a color block. So you get two washis. I think those are really cute. Okay. We also get a fun list pad. So it's an A5 notepad. And it's one-sided, it's not double-sided. It's super cute. You can have this on your desk to write all those notes, especially if you're on a phone call. Those are always handy. Okay, what else do we have? We have some acetate sheets. Just open this up. Wow, this is really pretty. So it kind of has like a translucent background color. It's kind of like a lilac, I think, like a pinky purple color, and then it has these beautiful rainbow florals on top. So acetates, if you're new to planning, are really great for layering. You can just pop these into your disc bound system, or if you have a ring planner, you're just going to take like a template from your planner that you have, like an insert, and just punch in the holes along the side here. So these are really fun for layering your planners. It just gives it a little bit more of a cute decorative touch. So I love this one, actually. That's super fun. Okay, what else do we have? We have two double-sided paper sheets. So this is her paper that she always includes. Most of the time, this is what she always includes. Everything's a little different every box. So we have the beautiful rainbow floral on one side, and then the fun rainbow on the other side, like the color block. That's super fun. And then we have this one with a beautiful frame. That's really pretty. You could put your picture here. If you haven't already done your vision board, you could totally put a picture of yourself here, or you could put some box stickers in here and add some inspiration in there, or your word of the year. You could probably put the word of the year in here for you guys. And on the back side, it's just rainbows. So this one's fun. I love this box. This is probably my favorite. Okay, then, oh my gosh. So she's starting to add her full sticker books into her subscription boxes. So this is one sticker book with 30 sheets. Okay, so here is the Rainbow Florals and boxes, 380 stickers, 30 sheets. Rainbow boxes with florals and rainbows. So she's combining the two. So if you love florals, you still get florals in here and boxes. And it looks like a mix of paper and clear. So fun. So then you have the decorative ones. That's a mix of the rainbows and the florals, or rainbow florals, sorry. How fun. These are clear. And these rainbows here have like florals design in it. And then you get 2 sheets of each decorative sticker. Those are clear. Individual florals, bouquets, lots of different types of flowers. And I just love the color. I love the whole rainbow theme. It's super cute. So fun, very bright and cheery to start off the new year. This is a great January box. So again, if you are interested in buying this box, it is a planner subscription box that you can get monthly, or you can buy it for a one-time fee. The link will be down below. Definitely also use the hashtag to see the other planners' inspiration on how they use their kits every month. Amber has a YouTube channel. She does like behind the scenes, which I think is really cool. And then on the back side, it's decorated with the rainbows. I mentioned last time in my videos that I noticed that she changes the packaging to the theme of the sticker book. But how cute is this? Yes. So you get a full sticker book. You get a cute rainbow stamp. You get 2 awesome washies. These are really fun. You get this gorgeous pen. Some cute acetate to layer in your planners. You see the layering background? It's like a translucent pinky purple color. And then this gorgeous paper, which I think will be great for vision boards, or your word of the year you can put in here. And then this fun list pad, which totally matches my desk space right now. That's so pretty. That is the Rainbow Florals box for January. This will be available, I believe, January 1st. Again, if you check the link down below, it takes you straight to her website and you can get all the information that you need from there. You can totally follow her on Instagram. So totally stay tuned for a plan with me. You know I'm going to use some of these items to set up my new planner for 2022. And I hope you guys enjoyed this fun unboxing, and I will see you on the next one. Have a great new year, and thanks for watching. Bye.